guys, today I have unboxed this, so let's start it with candies. Woo! 2 candies of gummy bears and 1 candy of strawberry. Now let this be. Now I have my ring. There is some ring. I'm going to do this colored one. Man, it's not opening. Nope, not. I opened it. Say, oh wow. Gummy bear. See, it looks like sunset. It's red in color. This one. Let us see which one is bigger. Maybe this one is bigger. Well, let's see. No, there's no more chocolate. This one. Not enough time for this. Wow! Hey, that is smoke. I'll eat this one afterwards. And this one now. And then there's gummy bears. Whoa! This is orange in color. It feels like yellow jelly. It's nice and yummy. This is snack meal. I forgot to say hey guys. Hey guys. It's better. Oops. I don't fell in my shoe. This one's fell in my shoe. Here's my favorite toy in this package. Today we are going to circus to watch loves mangoes flying. Yay! Wow! That's so cool. So thank you for watching.